Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jai Education. Now in this video we will learn and write about easy speech on Independence Day. Let's start. 1. Good morning everyone. 2. My name is Sneha. 3. Today is Independence Day. 4. We celebrate it on 15th August. 5. India became free in 1947. 6. We thank our freedom fighters. 7. We love our country. 8. We respect our national flag. 9. We should be good citizens. 10. We are proud to be Indians. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.